All right, Sphero, Sphero assignment 5, flying colors. Should be the last one here. We're going to go through it. Don't actually need a variable here. I'm just going to use my sensors. So if I go into sensors, there's an accelerometer. So you could use one of two things. And it doesn't matter to me. You could either use the accelerometer or you could use the total velocity. The accelerometer would be instantaneously how fast that thing is moving. Velocity would be its overall speed. Okay, so think of it as a car. If you're going 30 miles an hour, that is your velocity. If you're increasing from 30 to 40, you are accelerating. Okay, so I'm going to use velocity for this example, but again, if you used acceleration, it would essentially work the same way. Okay, now we're not going to use the on start program. We're going to use the on free fall. So as soon as the Sphero detects that it is falling, free falling here, it will jump in and it's going to start running our code. Okay. And essentially, when it's free falling, we want to put a couple if statements in here, and this is how easy it can be. If I put a comparator in here, I could say, okay, if it's free falling, if my velocity, let's say, we'll start with our fastest first. Okay. Now, some of this is part of this is going through, and I've already checked sensors, so I know my sensor value. It could be anywhere from 0 to 100, 0 to 120 maybe. So we're going to say anything greater than 80 is moving fast. Anything between 40 and 80 is moving in between, and anything less than 40 is going to be moving slow. So anything where the velocity is greater than 80, and that should be centimeters per second, I believe. We're going to go to our lights, and we're going to say that is green. That is going fast. I'm going to duplicate this. So, okay, if it's not greater than 80, that means it's less than 80. So then I'm going to check. If it's less than 80 but greater than 40, that's going to be we'll go with yellow. We'll do a stop sign. And anything less than 40